Hi everybody, look at this beautiful wall hanging. Let's make it. So take a small piece of paper and start folding it. Here we are going to make a beautiful flower. So fold it from its sides and paste it like this. Then we're going to make more such petals and paste all of them together and make a beautiful flower like this. And look, it's ready. After this we're going to make more such flowers and paste all of them one after another in a circular form like this. And look, it is almost ready. Now make two such pieces. Then we're going to make frills by making multiple cuts on a paper, roll it, and then we're going to combine all of them together like this. And look, your hanging is ready. Look how pretty these umbrellas are looking. Let's make it. So take a small piece of square paper and start folding it from its diagonals. Flip it and again fold it. We're going to make a small shape like this at the center. Make it from both sides and then make 7 such pieces and tuck all of them one after another like this. And make the top of the umbrella. Now roll a stick like this and make the handle of the umbrella. Put it at the center. Give it more details like this. Bend it and look, the umbrella is ready. In this video we are going to make this beautiful flower. So take a square paper and start folding it. We are making the flower petal here. Flip it and look, it is ready. Now make 5 such petals and tuck all of them like this. And look, your flower is ready. Add more details like we are curling the petals like this. Put another flower on the top and look, it is ready. In this video we are going to make this very creative snowflake design. So take a paper and start folding it. Cut it. When you open it, you will get a hexagon shape like this. Now again fold it like this. Then we are going to again fold it and you'll get a shape like this. After this we are going to flip it and again start folding like this. We are going to make a star shape here. So fold it from all its sides like this and look, your star is ready. After this we are going to give it details like we are doing here. Flip it again and we are going to open the sides like this and tuck it inside one after another. We are also making mini folds like this at the center and look, it's ready. Take a square paper and start folding it like this. Make a triangular shape. Now press it gently and then we are going to give it shape. Here we are making a heart shape. Then we are going to flip it and again fold it and give it shape from its upper side. And look, your heart is ready. Then we are going to make a ribbon at the center. So make multiple folds like this and look, your bow is ready. And look how cute these are looking. Look at these beautiful paper fans. Let's make it. So take a small piece of pink paper and start folding it like this and pull it downwards and make a shape like this. Make more such shapes and tuck all of them in a circular form like this. And look, your fan is ready. Then we're going to make a stick by rolling another pink paper and paste it using double-sided tape and paste all of them together. Paste a bow as well and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.